Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Are you a high school teacher looking to help your students plan for college? Understanding the differences between the SAT and ACT exams is crucial to helping your students succeed. The SAT and ACT are standardized exams that play a crucial role in the college admission process. These tests assess a student's skills in areas such as maths, reading, and writing, and are designed to provide colleges and universities with a way of comparing students from different backgrounds fairly. In this video, we will take a closer look at the key differences between the SAT and ACT, including their format, scoring, and content. Let's start. SAT stands for Scholastic Assessment Test, whereas ACT stands for American College Testing. In terms of ownership, the SAT is owned and administered by the College Board. The College Board is a non-profit organization that administers and also owns the SAT test. While the ACT is owned and administered by ACT Company, it is also a non-profit organization based in the United States. Why to take it? If you talk about SAT, colleges use SAT scores for admissions and merit-based scholarships. On the other hand, colleges also used ACT scores for admissions and merit-based scholarship. In terms of test structure, SAT contains reading, writing and language, mathematics, whereas ACT test structure is based on English, maths, reading, science reasoning, and there is an essay which is optional. In terms of exam length, the SAT exam duration is 3 hours, whereas the ACT exam duration is 2 hours 55 minutes without essay if you are not opting essay, and 3 hours 40 minutes with essay. In terms of reading, for SAT there is 5 reading passages, whereas in ACT exam there are 4 reading passages. In terms of science, there is nothing to be tested in the science section, whereas in ACT, one science section testing your critical thinking skills, not your specific science knowledge. In terms of mathematics, SAT cover arithmetic, algebra 1 and 2, geometry, trigonometry, and data analysis, whereas ACT math syllabus contain arithmetic, algebra 1 and 2, geometry, trigonometry, and probability and statistics. If you talk about the calculator policy, in SAT, some math questions don't allow you to use a calculator, whereas in ACT, you can use a calculator on all math questions. In terms of essays, there is no essay required in the SAT, whereas in the ACT, essay is optional. If you talk about how it is scored, SAT is scored on a scale of 400 to 1600, whereas ACT is scored on the scale of 1 to 36. When it comes to acceptance of SAT or ACT, it largely depends on the individual college or university. Some school may accept either test, while other may only accept one. In general, both tests are widely accepted and have similar weight in the admission process. If we try to understand which one is easier, SAT or ACT, that's one test is not easier than the other, but that your personal skills play a major role in how you might perform in one test over the other. What is the test procedure? Both the SAT and ACT tests can be taken either online or face-to-face, depending on the institution and the availability of testing centers. In terms of test schedule, for SAT, there is 6 times per year: February, April, June, July, September, and October. For ACT, 4 times per year: March, May, October, and December. Remember that every student is different and there is no one-size-fits-all approach. When it comes to the SAT versus ACT, it's important to encourage your students to reach both tests and choose the one that aligns with their strengths and comfort level. As educator, we play a crucial role in preparing our students for college and beyond. By helping our students understand the key differences between these two tests, we can give them the tool they need to succeed and reach their full potential. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.